Hey, Di, what's up? What you up to?
Oh, I'm just microwaving. You want a bite?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't worry, we're alive, we're safe. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Diaries of the Drunken Dumbells and Learn and my sidekick Trio. So about 15 years ago, I decided to completely give up my microwave after being told that it zaps the nutrition out of your food and it makes your food toxic. So when one of our dumbbell fans asked us to do a skit on the harmful effects of using a microwave on your food, I was more than happy to oblige.
However, our findings did not lead us to the conclusions that we thought it would.
Dum, dum, dum. Well, let's look at the first claim that microwaves release harmful radiation and can cause cancer.
And I'm sure when you think of radiation, you think of destructive nuclear bombs.
Gio, it's gonna blow. Go, get away.
Say that radiation's got a pretty bad rap.
But microwaves use a different type of radiation called microwaves, which are a non-ionizing radiation. In order for something to be radioactive, it needs to emit ionizing radiation.
Of which microwaves don't.
Ionizing radiation is strong enough that it can destroy atoms, even the ones found in our own bodies.
They are found in nuclear bombs and X-rays. Non-ionizing radiation is only strong enough to excite atoms,
making them wiggle at a high frequency. Non-ionizing radiation is usually found in cell phone towers, radar systems, infrared, and even visible light.
Even the sun is a powerful source of radiation.
Microwave radiation can only heat up certain molecules, the main one being water.
And this is why it is useful for heating up food.
Unfortunately, there are just not a lot of studies on the radiation in microwaves because you have to expose people for long term to a lot of them, and that's just really hard to do.
Experts say, based on what we know about physics, that there is little reason to believe that microwaves are even harmful.
The second claim that microwaves destroy the nutrients in your food was another claim that we just could not corroborate.
It's true that it destroys some of the nutrients, but any cooking method does that.
In a 2009 study that we found on the influence of cooking methods, there were actually less nutrients lost in microwaves than in other cooking methods.
There are definitely reasons to avoid microwaves, such as they heat unevenly.
They dry out your food, they make it tasteless.
But health reasons doesn't seem to be one of them. However, we do suggest that if you do use microwaves, heat your food in glass containers rather than plastic ones.
Yeah, because plastics contain a shitload of toxins that'll leach into your food.
If you have any questions about our findings, just put it in the comments below.
Hey, and we also want to thank our fans for making this great suggestion, and if any of you have any more suggestions for a skit that you would like to hear about on Diaries of the Drunken Dumbells, please just put a message in the comments, send us a private message if you're shy, and we'll be more than happy to take it into consideration.
Hey, this is 40 years from now. Well, it actually doesn't make sense, but, I still look young because I've been using microwaves, and she's been using some, new technology stuff that's been radioactive, like atomic nuclear bombs type of stuff in it, you know what I mean?
What you up to, Di?
I'm just eating up my lunch. Yeah. You want a bite?
Yeah, let me get some.
God, I can't reach.